In today's video I'm going to show you Sathorn Terrace apartment. This one is very budgeted, best budgeted apartment in Bangkok, just 700 baht, and I'm going to show you how you can get to BTS. It's just a 2-minute walking distance to BTS and walking distance to 7-Eleven and I can see everything in this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Hello from Sathorn Terrace Apartments. Welcome to very nice and comfortable apartment, hotel or condo, whatever you call it. Sathorn Terrace Apartment has comfortable living room with best options for everyone. This room I booked with Agoda in just 700 baht. You can book for weekly, monthly, it's up to you how long you want to stay. This place has the best convenient nearby options like BTS Sathorn Terrace, just few minutes walk. 7-Eleven is just few steps, and Sathorn Pier where you can get to free icon Siam boat, Asiatic or anywhere you want to go with the boat trip. So I think this is the best option for everyone who wants to stay close to public transport and comfort in prices. This place is not that expensive. Hope it will help you out. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Click the like button if you like this video.